So here is the logic of reciprocal rule of division. Here is, so this is the rule. It is that if you have division of these rational numbers here, you just take the reciprocal, his word, of this number, so you can turn it into multiplication. So there it is, and let's see about the logic of it. So here we have what we started with, this one. So we are trying to get from this to this, and so all the what happened between. So here we start with this. First we just change it, the form of it, using this division line. Alright, then we multiply both sides with the number that with this number. Here is the technical words for it. Numerator is, this is on the above, and denominator is below. So in this case this would be numerator and this would be denominator. So we will multiply both sides with the reciprocal of the denominator in the beginning sentence calculation. Here we do that, and since we have this rule of, here is some of the rules. Since we have this rule of multiplicative inverse reciprocal rule, which is, here is the rest of it, which just basically just means that same as this, which means that if you multiply a number with its reciprocal number, you get 1. Alright, so back here, since we are basically doing exactly that with the denominator here, like this is denominator, but also these are denominators, so let's not confuse, I mean this denominator. So I'm just writing this out like step by step, but from this also you could see that this ends up being 1, since you are multiplying a number with its reciprocal number, which produces 1. But I just take this here step by step to show that we can make it like this also, which would then be exactly like the rule is. So we can use the rule. So we get 1 1, and 1 times 1 is also 1. So this is, now we have the denominator as 1, which doesn't produce any change. So it's just, we are left with this, which is what we started to prove here. We wanted to prove this, and we did it. So when we just multiplied the numerator with the reciprocal of the denominator here, we got this above here, and this, since in the denominator here, since this is a number times the reciprocal of the same number, it becomes 1. So this like turns into 1 eventually, and it doesn't cause any change to this numerator here. so we are just left with this, like so, and hence it is obvious how this law applies. Also, the reciprocal is sometimes called the multiplicative inverse. Alright, thanks for watching.